painting this whole thing blue, taking it off, painting all the rims black, got all the bearings out, cleaning everything up. I'm gonna put it all back together, put some nicer things on it, get the motor back running on it, did some mods of the motor. So yeah, I guess this is the start of this video. We'll just keep going, and now you'll see more videos from now on out. Alright guys, the go-kart is almost done. Here's what we've got going on. Frame's all painted. Welded the axle. Those stupid bolts aren't going to strip out anymore. Hard to see. But motor's on, ready to go. Gotta put some more gas in it. But here's the biggest part of this video. This video is actually sponsored by Auxbeam Lightbars. They were kind enough to send me one of their 12-inch 72-watt light bars to test out on this go-kart. Looks like a great quality light. Came with everything I need to mount it. Instructions. Yeah, so we're gonna be mounting that on here. Got those right there. The bolts. Already started drilling these holes. Got to drill all the way through. I'm gonna bolt them onto here, and I'm gonna run wiring back around here, somewhere like that. Maybe see if I can screw that battery on, something like that, and see how this light is. Probably won't finish it all today, so I'll have to come back to you guys tomorrow. But yeah, so we're just gonna keep going on this. And then I listed this thing for sale. Actually, I just gotta make a couple last videos on it. Gonna do the light bar video, obviously, test it out. But yeah, I just don't have anywhere to ride this anymore. I got pulled over. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. And I guess I just gotta move on to other things now. I need some money so I can actually buy some good projects. Do it again like last summer. Wheeling and dealing. So yeah, I'm gonna get this light bar installed. So I got it wired up here. Got it bolted in. I haven't tightened the bottom adjusting bolts down yet, but got these ones in, top two. Got the power here with a little breaker on it here, so you can disconnect it, and the negative runs straight to the negative, and then the positive. So I'm gonna push it out the door, or aim it outside, and then kind of aim my light how I want it, and I'll bolt it down, and that'll be it. And I'll have to find a strap or something to go over that battery. There it is. Got it all lined up. Lights up in front of you pretty dang good. Even with that light on, it's kind of hard to tell, but I'll go in front of the light if I can. Still lights it up pretty good. It'd probably be even better if it was up a little higher instead of being down there, if it was up there or something, but I can't do that, unfortunately. Super bright though. Looks pretty sweet, if you ask me. And then, just like this, pull on that, and unplug it. That's all you gotta do. Stay tuned for the riding video. I'll have to do tomorrow night. It's a little too late for that tonight, but we'll definitely get to doing that tomorrow, and it'll be a separate video. Thanks for watching, guys.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move. I got them vests on my shoes. I pop a pill and I lose. Wait, speed it up. Look at the diamonds, they eat it up.